Good morning to all. I am Juan from LKG Software. Today I am going to tell about peas. Peas is green in color. Peas grow support. Peas are small. Peas round vegetable. Peas are high in protein. Peas very good for our health. Thank you. Have a nice green day. Hi, I am broccoli. I am green vegetable. I look like a Chinese. I am crunchy and healthy. I am full of vitamins. I am growing near cool weather. Some kids don't like me, but I am very good for you. I am help your body glow strong. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. Today I am here as a broccoli. Broccoli is a healthy nutritional powder that has several interesting facts. It is a great source of vitamin C, vitamin K and cancer-fighting properties and called as crown jewel of nutrition. Broccoli is about 90% water, helping kids stay hydrated. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am green grapes. I grow in bunches. I am full of vitamins. I make you strong and healthy. Grapes are round. Grapes are sweet. Grapes are the fruit I want to eat. Grapes are round. Grapes are sweet. Grapes are the fruit I want to eat. Yummy, yummy grapes. Tasty, tasty grapes. Thank you. Have a nice day. I'm a grasshopper. I have strong legs. I produce my tapping sound. I eat grasses and leaves. Thank you. Happy green day.
I am green, la 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 la. No color like me, la 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 la. You color, you find me, la 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 la. I love what done many things, la la la. We like a tree leaf, la 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 la. We like a salary, la 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 la. We like a broccoli, la 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 la. We like a cucumber, la 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 la.
I have seen and colored green. 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 I see the green frog. I see the green frog. I see the green grass. I see the green grass. I see the green leaf. I see the green leaf. I see the green broccoli. I see the green broccoli. I have seen the color green. I have seen the color green. I have seen the color green. I have seen the color green.
Good morning everyone. I am going to speak about broccoli. Broccoli is a vegetable. It belongs to cabbage family. It is good for the eyes. It is green in color. Broccoli is superfood, rich in minerals and vitamins.
मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मैं तेरा हिस्सा हूँ, तू मेरा हिस्सा है, मुझसे ही तू जिंदा है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है। हाँ, बड़ा दुखता है, दुखता है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है। मैंने दिया तुमको फल फूल छाया, तू तो समझ ही न पाया। खाके हरा फिर भी काटा गया, तुझको नजर भी न आया। मैंने दिया तुमको फल फूल छाया, तू तो समझ ही न पाया, नजर भी न आया। निर्मोहिया है तू, बेशर्म है, हो तो अनशर्मिंदा है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है।